Learn salsa dancing for beginners in 30 days. No partner needed. Today we'll practice the double swap, the right turn CBL, the single right turn, and the hook turn. We'll practice these turns together with the advanced steps we already know: the reverse CBL, the 360, and the L pass, creating unique and impressive new advanced combinations. We will start with a 360 with a hook turn, on the line, twist, open, hook and prep, and spin, and then the double swap. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, forwards, and rotate. Yes, day 29. Let's start. Turn to your right and cross body lead offline. Front, side, open, in place, cross over the line and forward. Now 360 with the hook. On the line, twist, open. Now the hook turn, hook and spin. Now double swap. Back, cross to the front, open. Now cross to the back, forwards, rotate, and CBL offline. Front, side, open, in place, cross over the line and forward. Now 360 with the hook. On the line, twist, open, out the hook, hook to the back and spin. Now double swap to the back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, forwards and rotate. CBL offline, front, side, open, in place, cross over the line and forward. Now 360 with a hook. On the line, twist, open, now the hook, hook to the back and spin. Now double swap, a swap and a reverse swap. Back, cross, open, now the reverse swap and full speed. CBL offline, go. Front, open and over the line, 360 with a hook. Twist, open and hook. Now double swap, back, open and CBL offline, front. And over the line, 360 with a hook. Twist, open, hook, spin, double swap, back. And CBL offline, front. Open and over the line, 360 with a hook. Twist, open, hook, spin, double swap, back. Open and rotate, basic. And basic slow, and a new sequence, yes. Right turn CBL offline and 360 with a hook. Let's go. Right turn CBL offline. Front, side, rotate to the right. In place, cross over the line and forwards. Now 360 with the hook. On the line, twist, open, out the hook, cross to the back and spin. Now basic back on the line. And let's do it again. Right turn CBL offline and 360 with a hook. Let's go. Front, side, rotate to the right. In place, cross over the line and forward. 360 with the hook. On the line, twist, open. Now the hook, cross to the back and spin. Basic and back on the line. Yes. You're doing great, you can smile. Let's go again. Right turn CBL offline, 360 with the hook. Front, side, rotate to the right. In place, cross over the line and forwards. Now 360 with the hook. On the line, twist, open, the hook, spin and full speed, basic, let's go. Right turn CBL offline and 360 with the hook. Front, side, rotate and over the line, 360 with the hook. Twist, open, hook, spin, basic, and back on the line. Let's go. Right turn CBL offline. Front, open and over the line, 360 with the hook. Twist, open, hook, spin, basic, and back on the line. Right turn CBL offline. Let's go. Front, side, rotate and over the line, 360 with the hook. Twist, open, and hook turn. And now we'll do the single right turn, offline to the left, and then a left pass with a hook. Turn around and let's start with crossbody lead slow. Front, side, open, in place, on the line and forward. Now single right turn, front, rotate to the right, spin, now offline to the left, back, side, forwards, now left pass, cross to the front, side, back, now the hook turn, hook and spin, cross body lead again, front, side, open, in place, on the line, forwards, single right turn, front, rotate to the right, spin, now offline to the left, back, side, forward, now left pass, cross to the front, side, back, now the hook turn, hook and spin, and cross body lead, front, side, open, you're doing great, in place, on the line and forwards, now single right turn, front, rotate to the right, spin, now offline to the left, back, side, forwards, now left pass, cross to the front, side, back, now the hook turn, hook to the back, spin and full speed, cross body lead, front, side, open and single right turn, and offline to the left, to L pass, and hook turn, and cross body lead, and single right turn, let's go, offline to the left and L pass with a hook, hook turn, and cross body lead, single right turn, offline to the left, and left pass with a hook, cross side, back, hook, and turn around, and let's do a new sequence, basic slow, and then reverse CBL and single right turn, yeah, let's go, reverse CBL, front, in place, side, cross to the back, on the line and forwards, now single right turn, front, rotate to the right, spin and a back step, 5, 6, 7, basic, and let's do it again, reverse CBL and single right turn, let's go, front, in place, side, cross to the back, on the line and forwards, now single right turn, front, rotate to the right, spin and a back step, and basic again. Let's go. And of course, don't forget to smile. Yeah. And let's do the reverse CBL and the single right turn. Go. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, on the line and forwards. Now single right turn, front, rotate to the right, spin, back basic and full speed, one basic, let's go, one, and let's go, reverse CBL and single right turn, front, side, cross to the back, single right turn, front, rotate, spin, back basic and basic, and again, reverse CBL and single right turn, go, front in place, side, cross to the back and single right turn, front, rotate, spin, and basic. Do it again, reverse CBL and single right turn, front, side, and single right turn, front, rotate, spin, and back basic, now turn around, one basic slow, and let's do another sequence, yes, starting with right turn CBL offline, let's go, front, side, rotate to the right, in place, cross over the line and forwards, now 360 with the hook. On the line, twist, open, now the hook turn. Hook, spin and double swap. Now, back, cross to the front, open. Now cross to the back, forwards, rotate. Right turn CBL offline, front, side, rotate to the right. In place, cross over the line and forwards, now 360 with the hook. On the line, twist, open, now the hook, hook, and spin, now double swap, go, back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, forwards, and rotate, full speed, one basic, one, let's go, right turn CBL offline, front, side, rotate, and over the line, 360, with the hook, and double swap, back, open and right turn CBL offline, front, side, rotate and over the line, 360 with a hook, hook, spin, double swap, back, open, rotate and turn around, basic slow, and a new sequence, yes! Starting with a reverse CBL, are you ready? Let's go! Reverse CBL. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, on the line and forwards. Now single right turn. Front, rotate to the right, spin. Now offline to the left and left pass with a hook. Cross to the front, side, back, now the hook. Hook and spin. Now reverse CBL again. Front, in place, side. Cross to the back, on the line and forward. Now single right turn. Front, rotate to the right, spin and offline to the left. Back, side, forwards. Now left pass. Cross to the front, side, back. Now the hook turn. Hook to the back, spin and full speed. One basic. One. Let's go. Reverse CBL. Front, side, cross to the back and single right turn. And offline to the left and L pass. And the hook turn. And reverse CBL. Front, side, open. And single right turn. And offline to the left. And left pass. With a hook. Hook, spin. Basic. And thank you very much for joining me. And don't miss the muscle tape at the end. Ready for day 30? Click here or check the description. And if you're not sure yet, remember that repetition is the mother of skill. So feel free to repeat day 29. Again, the more you practice, the better you get. And if you found this video helpful, please scroll down and type the words "more practice" in the comments below. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. And today's master tip, every time you do the single right turn or the hook turn, imagine your axis.